Do children need teachers in an AI-driven future?
They may not need us for information, but they'll always need our shoulders to lean on and our hearts to understand.
This inspired us to launch the Meta Teacher in Me Teacher Transformation Workshop, a program designed to encourage the teachers to self-discover the meta dimensions of teaching.
The 5 drivers of the Meta workshop are going beyond textbooks, interdisciplinary learning, environmental consciousness, educational technology, reflective practices. The 4 learning competencies, 4 C's of the workshop are critical thinking, creativity, communication, collaboration.
So while Agastya in the earlier years clearly looking at reaching children in the classrooms through its own force of igniters, over a period of time it was very clearly felt that teachers as force multipliers is a critical area to look at. The teacher transformation program became an important program for us to ensure that the larger vision and the mission is achieved through these trained and motivated teachers.
Are we creating a future-ready and reflective teacher? Are we fostering STEM knowledge construction in our school classrooms? Are we preparing our students for the 21st century? Are we making students environmentally responsible citizens?
I'm sure you would be wondering, who is this meta teacher? Meta teacher is one who thinks about not from the point of his teaching, but from the point of view of learner. All of us, we are all always grasped with the one idea that how did I teach, what did I do, how many concepts I have covered, how much of content I covered, but we will never think that how much learner has learned, what strategies he has used, how he has been able to reflect on his own learning and take the meaning out of it. That's where the meta teacher differentiates himself from the regular teacher. You all have seen that the overarching theme of this workshop, Meta workshop, is the climate change. Why have we taken that climate change as a major theme for this particular workshop? One is, this climate change is a very prevalent one, which is existing one. All of us were experiencing it at the same time. It provides the enormous scope for teachers to blend all these principles of meta teaching.
This unique workshop provides a platform for teachers to self-reflect on some of the major education principles as well as some of the ideas that emerge during the workshop dynamically. The very presence of scientists to discuss the science of climate change, artists to bring in the sensitivity and the emotion to the subject, and the educationists to discuss on the pedagogy and the teaching learning process, they are all there with the teachers in this 4-day residential workshop. Teachers who participated in this workshop shared that this stimulating environment changed their mindset and look for the n number of learning possibilities in their classroom transaction. This workshop motivated them to rise to the next level of teacherhood, thus becoming a meta teacher.
If I have to speak personally about me, I have got sensitized, I realized the role of a teacher in transforming a child rather than giving information.
LEAP Learning Experience Action Plan. Teachers designed climate change projects. Projects to be implemented in schools. 5 drivers incorporated into the projects. Climate change videos. Teachers learnt video making skills from media experts. Developed short educational videos on climate change. Videos and skills to be used in their classrooms.
So one of the things that I've witnessed here is there's a beautiful symmetry and alignment between what Agastya says, its vision around creativity, around curiosity, around care, around collaboration. So it works not only for children, but the very ways that teachers are learning.
In essence, this workshop is about discovering and expressing the creative teacher within, embracing passion and empathy, while connecting with the ever curious, ever creative child in each of the students and oneself.